Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash Math Tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. Given the mean of the following distribution is 52. The class intervals are given like 10 to 20, 20 to 30, up to 70 to 80. The frequencies of each intervals are given except 30 to 40. So here we need to find the frequency of class interval 30 to 40. First write down the given details. Given mean, which is 52, and make a table and write down the class intervals and frequencies. The class intervals are 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, and finally 70 to 80. So write down the frequencies of each interval. 10 to 20 it's 5, then 3, then F, 7 to 6, and finally 13 for 70 to 80. And write down the mid value of the class intervals. 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65 and 75. Now multiply the frequency and the mid value. So 15 times of 5 is 75, 25 times of 3 is 75, 35 F, 45 times of 7 is 315, 55 times of 2 is 110, 65 times of 6 is 390, and finally 75 times of 13 is 975. Now find the N. So we just need to add all the frequencies. We'll get 36 plus F, and find the sum of the multiplication of the product of the frequency and the mid value. The sum will be 1940 plus 35F. So we know that the mean formula is sum divided by N. So here sum is 1940 plus 35F divided by 36 plus F. Mean is given, which is 52. So now cross multiply and find the value of F. So if we cross multiply, we'll get 1940 plus 35F equals to 52 times of 36 plus F. If we distribute 52 times of 36 plus F, we'll get 1940 plus 35F equals to 52 times of 36 is 1872 plus 52F. Now move F terms to one side and constants to other side. We'll get 52F minus 35F equals to 1940 minus 1872. So if we subtract, we'll get 17F equals to 68. So F equals to 68 divided by 17. So the value of F is 4. So the frequency of the class interval 30 to 40 is 4. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.